So good. It's hitting different, y'all. Intense, y'all. Like, give me a minute. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a mini Lancome haul. I have blind buys, restocks, and a few makeup essentials. If you're new to this channel, my name is Charlene. Welcome. If you've been with me for a while, welcome back for another video. I am so happy you decided to stop by again. You are appreciated. I could not wait to share it with you guys. I will tell you what's new, what I've used before, what I'm trying, and there's one special, well, there are two special ones that I'm super excited about. So it came in this black box, looks very official, a little mysterious. Let's open it up. In the box you have all the items. It looks like this. So one by one I will tell you what I have. The first item I have is one that I had before. I gave it to my mom because we basically exchanged for the Versace Dylan Blue. I gave my mom the original. Mom, I hope you're enjoying that perfume because I did like it a lot. So here I have a flanker, which I've never seen before, and I think it is new. If it's not new, it's exclusive to lancome.com. I'm talking about La Nuit Trésor à la Folie. I know what La Nuit Trésor smells like, but I've never actually smelled this one, and it's à la folie, which is like madness, being kind of like crazy in love. La Nuit Trésor à la Folie. It's a sultry night. Aimer à la folie is a French expression, an indescribable feeling of letting go or the great thrill of love. So it basically gives you a breakdown on the box of the notes. So it said it's made with dazzling raw materials, a burning heart of rose essence, inflamed by the sensuous addiction of bourbon vanilla. I read those notes and I was literally having a moment, y'all. And intensified by smoldering patchouli essence, which y'all know I love a lot. This is the first fiery rose created for Lancome. It sounds amazing. So, like I said, I love La Nuit Trésor. I have no idea what the sultry version smells like. So the bottle is pretty much the same like the original. I feel like this one is a little bit darker, a little bit more mysterious. It might be because of that bourbon vanilla and that smoldering patchouli. This is the first impression, so I'm not gonna bore you guys too much with the details. Let's spray her and see. Oh my god, y'all. Woo! Yes. Ooh, this is so good. I feel like it's even better. It's sweet but darker and richer than the original La Nuit Trésor, for sure. Oh my god, delicious. This is basically a blind buy because I have not tried à la folie like I said. And ooh, so good. I am not really an expert of blind buying, but I know the notes that I like, and this is spot on. So good. The bottle is to die for. I do not care that it doesn't sit down. It is beautiful. It is a masterpiece, and I am in love. That was amazing. I'm already in love with the scent, and I cannot wait to really wear it, and I can give you guys a full review on this. Now the next one, I've talked about it before. I reviewed it earlier this year. I like this one a lot, and I'm really a fan of Lancome fragrances, in case you cannot tell. And so this one is no exception. I love it a lot. Like in my previous review, I compared it a little bit to La Vie Est Belle, not because they're similar, but just to see like which one was better. And I still prefer La Vie Est Belle, but I love this one a lot. I'm talking about Idole by Lancome, and this is a restock. It looks like this. For those of you who might not be familiar, it looks like a modern day funk. It's very modern, very chic. I love this one a lot. And this is also the Eau de Parfum, and this is the 2.5 fluid ounce. This one has bright citrus, clean rose, jasmine, white musk, and vanilla. So a little different than what I just sprayed a while ago. I'm pretty familiar with this scent, like it a lot. The reason I restocked on this one was because Lancome was having a 30% off exclusive discount for members. Oh, it smells so good to y'all. I think you either love this or you hate it. And I love it a lot. And it dries down to a very beautiful scent on the skin. I basically don't buy or try not to buy anything for the full price. So with the 30% off, you really kind of get a good bang for your buck. This is a restock of Ido by Lancome. This one I am super excited about. I cannot believe I'm holding it in my hand. I'm super excited. I'm a little scared, honestly, because if I don't like it, I don't want to return it, y'all. I'm not a returner. I don't like returning things. I just do not like to return stuff. So I pray that I like it. I'm checking off items from my perfume wish list because I finally got this one and it's Lancome. So if you looked at my perfume wish list, you know which one I'm talking about. I was excited for trying out Oud and I just went for it. So I'm talking about Oud Bouquet. Now this one is huge. This one is a 3.4 fluid ounce. The bottle is gorgeous, you will see in a minute, and the packaging is very, very nice. So it has Oud essence, Gaiac essence, and Copahu essence, and also praline rose. So let's get it opened. I'm so happy. But first impression for real, this is a blind buy. I will let you guys enjoy the beauty of this bottle. It is gorgeous. The design is amazing. Fully gold, rose, and just classy. This is described as a narcotic rose. This is composed of 3 different ouds, basically oriental wood, and you also have rose absolute, vanilla, and praline. Okay, let's just smell it. I think I'm stalling because I'm scared. I'm honestly scared. This is heavy. This is heavy duty. So good. I've never had oud. I'm so scared. Okay, here goes. First impression, I am not sure yet, y'all. I'm not sure about this Oud Bouquet, but I will let it settle down a little bit because I can smell the rose. The rose is present, the sweetness from the vanilla and the praline are both present. So you have that gourmand feel to it, but also the different ouds make it really, really interesting. So I'm gonna spray a little bit on my skin and see how that settles in. Okay, love the bottle. The juice is nice and dark and rich, which just makes you know that it's gonna be like a potent blend. I'm letting that settle in because this is like my entry into oud, and it's hitting different, y'all. It's hitting different. Out of the 3, Ido already know how it smells. I am obsessed with A La Folie, the Tresor, and the Oud Bouquet is intense, y'all. Like, give me a minute. Give me a minute on that one. I'm noticing that Lancome didn't send any type of samples, which, what's up with that? You always get sample at the store, like why not send samples? For the makeup essentials, I got a couple basic things that I always use and need. If you guys have ever looked at my makeup videos, you've seen me use the Seal Booster XL. This is the lash primer. It definitely gives you volume. I love this. Like, I don't think I've ever used a lash primer from any company at all that can beat Lancome. Like, this is the absolute best. It is all white. It looks like that. And just typical Lancome, I am literally obsessed with this. I cannot do my lashes without it. So the final thing I got was these Grandiose Extreme, and this is the Extreme Noir. I love this because it makes my lashes look so full, so long whenever I pair these two together. Like, they are amazing together. So the Grandiose Extreme mascara for volume and the base, great marriage between the two. So I will definitely be giving you guys an update about the fragrances I purchased. I'm super happy with everything I got. I am still a little like on the fence about the Oud Bouquet just because this is my introduction into oud, because I have not used it, but I'm happy to have it, and I cannot wait to test it out and let you guys know my true thoughts, how I feel about it, and how talk about longevity and all of that later down. So to be continued. For this, I need absolutely no convincing. I'm obsessed. I am going to abuse this baby. Like, I'm ready to use her tomorrow. Of course, Idol, Restock, cause gotta have it. And that brings me to the end of my mini haul. Thank you if you made it this far. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any of these in your collection, and I will be following up at some point with either a review or a wear test or something like that. And I want to thank you guys as always for joining me on my journey, on my YouTube journey, and thank you for all my new subscribers. I always say this, and I'm really grateful to each and every one of you. And thank you for joining the Savvy family. So I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to sound off below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.